How to replace a faucet. I'm gonna show you in this short video how to do it. Easy. The tools you need is adjustable pliers, adjustable wrench, basic wrench, knife, gloves, safety glasses, small bucket, and sometimes Phillips screwdriver. First thing you have to do is turn off the angle stops and then disconnect the hose from the faucet. Also, you have to use the adjustable wrench for disconnect the connectors. The middle part, you have to use the basin wrench for disconnect the nut. You have to put the bucket under the trap for collecting the water. And here is how I use the adjustable pliers for disconnect the connectors. If you're planning to put back the same trap, remember, you have to clean up well because sometimes collecting garbage. You can see here. You can see how was after remove the faucet and then I clean up well before to put the new one. And here is the new faucet. Let's open and reading well the instructions. Remember, hot water is left side, you can see under is red, and cold water is right side, you can see the blue color under. Let's put the handles. You have to go under the sink and install everything. In this part, I need just adjustment everything with Phillips screwdriver. Now, time to put the hoses back. In this part, you have to use the adjustable wrench. Now I have to put the connector for hot water and cold water. Now I have to put the new push drain install. You don't have to use silicone in the top, just silicone under. Read the instructions. Time to put the trap back. Before to turn off the water, you have to remove from the faucet the filter. Why? Because if you open it, it's gonna be clogged. Now, turn on the water in both handles. Slow, turn on both handles for like few seconds. Check under the sink for any leaks. Now you can put back the filter and the faucet. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you.